Imagine yourself in this 2007 Hyundai Elantra SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power mirror, rear defrost, bucket seats, passenger illuminated visor mirror, ABS, child safety locks, security system, driver illuminated vanity mirror, and AM/FM stereo. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.